Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about the multi-level page table. So it is one of the structure of the page table. So how we are implementing the page table concept. So either we can follow any of these structures. So there are actually three more number of structures of the page table that were available. The very first one is multi-level page table. Suppose you want to maintain a very large page table, as we have mentioned, with a very large virtual address, then you have to use the very large page table. So in that case, if you go with this kind of a structure, then it is very easy to occupy more number of page table entries. So here we have multiple level, which means level by level we are actually maintaining the page table. So in the very first level we'll be having one index of the page table which is present at the next level. So this is what the multi-level page table. So we can have any levels. It is not necessary to have only 2 or 3 levels. We can have more number of levels. So it is up to the design of that, how we have implemented. So it is based on the architectural design of any particular system. So here, if you follow this multi-level concept, and if you are occupying two-level structure, so it is the example given for two-level structure of the page table. So if it is a two-level, then we need to use this 32-bit address field as three partitions. The first partition, which is used for holding the address or the index that we are referring in the first page table, that is page table 1. And in the next partition, which is used to refer the index in the second page table, and there we will be getting the page frame number, and from that we will be using this offset value in order to get the particular instruction or the content, which means the data whatever we need. So usually in the main memory, so we have the split up for storing the program in the lower part of the memory, and in the next part, which is used for holding the data, which is nothing but the operand, and the top portion of the memory, which is used for storing the stack. So stack data structure, which we are using, always we need to store it in the main memory. So here PT1, which is used to represent with 10-bit field, and PT2, which is used to represent with 10-bit, because we have assigned that is 12 bits for representing offset. Even if it is a 16-bit address, we are actually using 12-bit for representing the offset field. So the remaining 4 bits, which is used for representing the page number. But here we are actually getting the two page level structure. So we are just going with the two partition for the first page table, and the next one is second page table. So here we will be providing the remaining bits that will be divided equally for representing the first page table number and the second page table number. So 10 bits each for this two fields. So here this could be the top level page table, which means the outer level. So it holds the index number of the next level. So since it is a 2 level, so in this second level we will be getting the page frame number itself. This is what the structure of the multi-level page table. So here we will be having the second level. So as I told, it is not necessary to have only 2 levels of page table. So we can have even 3 or 4 or more number of page tables in this particular structure. Say for example, so if I am providing this page table index value is 1, so everything should be represented in binary format. So for easy to understand, so I am just giving it as a decimal value, that is 1. And here page table 2, it holds the index value as 3, and offset value, say if it is the value which we are providing it as 4 means. So how it will perform this mapping concept with these two level page table. So first it will refer the value of PT1, so that was the index. So if it is number 1, so from this particular index value, so we will be getting some number. So that is what the index are referred by the page table 2. So in the page table 2, so we will be referring that particular index value. So say for example, if it is 3, and in this we will be getting the page frame number, and provided offset value will be copied onto this index value, which means in offset of this address, and then to that particular address, the content, either the content or the instruction, can be fetched easily. This is how we are going with the multi-level page table structure. Thank you.